Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are here today to talk about a new hair product. As you guys must know, I am a beauty expert on products and different types of makeup products, hair products, just because I love to see what's out there and I want the best market. Hope you guys have been watching all of my videos, reviewing products, giving you guys my update. I really pride myself in using the best products for my hair, for my skin. I'm always out on the market on the hunt for something that is going to be extraordinary. So I found this new hair growth oil. It's from Binta Beauty Organics. And they actually have really great ingredients. It's 100% natural, drug-free, vegan, clinically tested, and unfiltered ingredients formulated with top quality care and non-GMO. So they're a hair growth serum. I got this big bottle. This is, I believe, the 8 ounce, and it was about $100 and something. I bought it a few years ago, but this has consistently helped with my hair growth. So I create kind of like a concoction of a bunch of different oils that leads to hair growth. This is one of the ones I use as a carrier oil to mix a bunch of ingredients, but this I've seen a lot of tutorials, I've seen a lot of testimonies where people come out and they talk about how this has really helped them a lot and they love the ingredients. It's all natural. And I'm going to purchase another bottle very soon. This has lasted me almost 2 years. Because this is such a big size, but you guys can get started with the smaller one to see how you feel about it. But I really highly suggest it. So once you purchase it, let me know in the comments below if it has helped you. And so if you guys have any questions or concerns, you can leave comments at the bottom of this review. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you can stay updated on all the different new products, tools, treatments that I have been doing, and I can share my experience with you so you don't have to go through the process that I currently am. But I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Thank you so much for watching, and continue watching if you want more products and reviews. Thank you so much.